Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Beverages coming back to you with another powerful weight loss video for you today. Now, if you want to learn how to take off 30 to 40 pounds in 15 days, well, I have a powerful weight loss video for you today. Now, this is easy, this is delicious, and this is seasonal, okay? Because today we're going to be working with our watermelon. Alright, so let me show you what you're going to need. You're going to need a full-size blender. We're also going to be working with 2 cups of our watermelon, a large cucumber, some ginger, our lemon, a few sprigs of our mint, and yes, our chai seeds, y'all. So what we're going to start off with now is our chai seeds. We're going to get that out the way. Now what I have is some water boiling on the stove because we're going to rush the process of the chai seed swelling. Just going to add in 1 tablespoon of your chai seeds into your bowl, and we're going to pour just enough water to cover the chai seeds. And you're just going to make sure that they're all immersed in the water. That they're all covered. I'm just going to add a little bit more water. Already they're starting to thicken up. Already they're starting to thicken. Okay, so I'm just going to cover this and put this on the side and allow that to finish swelling. In the meantime, we're going to be working with our full-size NutriBullet blender. Okay, and I'm going to start off by peeling my cucumbers because it's not organic, and I'll be right back. Or should I say, now that I finished peeling my cucumbers, I'm just going to chop them into pieces. Now, this is a wonderful way to detox your body, also to shrink that belly. Okay, this is what we're working on right now, that belly area, and get rid of all of that stubborn belly fat. Just drop that inside your blender. Okay, so pop that in there. Next, we're going to add in 2 cups of watermelon chunks. And also throw in your sprigs of mint leaves. That's for digestion. And now I'm just going to peel my ginger root. Some of you wash it. You can just wash it and just chop it in pieces with the skin on. Me, I like to take the skin off. Some people cut the skin, which you don't need to because you're pretty much taking away a lot of the ginger with that. So you can scrape the skin right off. Comes off very easy. Next, you're going to take your ginger root and just also cut that into pieces as well. Alright, next we're just going to take our lemons and we're just going to squeeze the juice right into our blender. And lastly, we're going to add in our chai seeds. Now, as you can see, it's already swollen. It hasn't even been a full 10 minutes. And we're just going to pour that in there as well. Next, we're just going to pop our top on there and blend this down. And there you have it, a nice creamy meal replacement breakfast smoothie. Delicious. Next, you're just going to pop your straw in there and you have a wonderful, delicious breakfast smoothie. So there you have it, you guys, a natural fat burning weight loss smoothie. This is going to help to reduce your belly weight. Now you can lose 30 pounds in 15 days. So just know that this is powerful. This is going to get that stomach right. It's going to detox your body and shrink down that belly. Okay, so you guys enjoy your drink. Don't forget, this is a morning replacement smoothie for breakfast. Also throughout the day, drink lots of water, eat light healthy meals, and drink lots of teas as well as healthy snacks. Okay, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to check down below in the Amazon affiliate links for the full-size blenders as well as the personal size blenders and these wonderful reusable metal straws. Also check down in my eBay store for the wonderful herbs and spices and detox tonics that's going to slim you down, that you can also take while drinking these wonderful smoothies. That's going to help to boost your weight loss to another level. So check down below. I have wonderful living bitters detox tonics down there, as well as the firm and flat belly detox tonic. Okay, also check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will get hair care, skincare, beauty care, as well as fashion hauls and family challenges. All right, so you guys, don't forget your big sis and auntie loves you, and I'll see you again in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs. Okay, so check it out. Go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.